cruising is only for the rich? We used to think so too, until we discovered how to travel the world by sea on a budget. Today I'm going to share our 14 best cruise hacks that help us to travel up to 20 weeks a year without breaking the bank. Hi there, I'm Jo, and welcome back to Travel on the Cheap. After 2 RV swaps in North America, I started researching how to stretch our holidays, especially for us living in New Zealand. So we are so far away from anywhere, and that's when I discovered cruise deals. Cruise deal websites online. They changed everything. These are my main hacks. Number 1, book early or last minute. The best deals come either 18 to 24 months ahead of the cruise or 3 months before the sailing, because that's when the final payments are due and they want this cabins booked. Number 2 hack, choose your cabin wisely. Consider an inside or an ocean view cabin when the price difference is small. Sometimes upgrading to an ocean view costs just a bit more, giving you natural light and a view without breaking the bank. It's a small splurge that really enhances your cruise experience. Number 3, repositioning cruises. These end-of-season routes are long, exotic, and often half the price. We've done Miami to Copenhagen, Sydney to Tokyo, and many more. We have to fly to these destinations anyway, so why not go the long way for a fraction more? Number 4, use deal sites. I check multiple sites such as Cruise Guru, Cruise First, but Vacations to Go is my favourite for comparing cruises. Number 5, my Vacations to Go site. Let me show you exactly how I use Vacations to Go to find cruises as low as $60 per night.
Put in repositioning cruises. Where are we? Repositioning cruises. Show me the deals. This is just all over the world. Okay, so now I will go put it into Australian dollars and I'll put it into the price per night. So now I'm just having a wee daydream as to where I might like to go in March 2027. So I'll go price per night to filter it through, and there we go. On April the 10th, for $98 a night, I could go from Martinique to Genoa. I'm not so worried about that, but there's an interesting one. On April the 6th, for $107 Australian a night, I can go from Sydney to San Francisco, which actually, by the way, I have booked. So we'll go in here and have a look at the details. Inside price $2,470, but to go up to an ocean view, it's less than $200 for the whole cruise. These prices are per person. So in my mind, I'm thinking, yeah, that would be pretty cool. So for about $5,300, we'd have 23 nights on a cruise ship from Sydney to Australia, and here is where it's going to. So that's how we do it.
Hack number 6, bring your own wine and soft drinks. You're allowed to bring 2 bottles of wine and up to 2 dozen soft drink cans. It's certainly allowed and it saves heaps. Pack a first aid kit. Avoid overpriced sunscreen, insect repellent and pain relief on board. You don't want to get caught short. Pre-book your excursions. Up to 40% off when booked early on the ship site, or use Get Your Guide or hop on buses. Check out a website called What's in Port. It can give you information on all ports and how to work out a plan of what to do there. Number 9, skip specialty restaurants. The included dining is fabulous. No need to pay extra. You can dine for free, buffet, main dining room, and some cafes around the ship. Number 10, use eSIMs or prepaid Wi-Fi, which is often discounted before the cruise. The ship Wi-Fi is pricey. eSIMs work near land and ashore, but you do need a modern phone for them to work. Number 11, loyalty perks. We get 5 free drinks a day, cheap laundry, and many other perks with Royal Caribbean. And these perks transfer to Celebrity and Silver Sea. Number 12, cruise shares, which equals onboard credit. If you own 100 shares in Royal Caribbean or Carnival, you can earn up to $250 US per cruise. We've earned $750 on back-to-backs on one long cruise. This money can be used to pay for excursions, Wi-Fi, ship shops, and even in the casino. Number 13, take your own photos. Ship photos cost around $20 each. Bring your camera or your phone. Number 14, DIY laundry. Hand wash and hang your clothes in the shower. Saves $30 a bag. Some ships do have a guest laundry, which can be very helpful and save a few dollars. These hacks have helped us cruise affordably. But what keeps us back isn't just the price. It's the rhythm of the sea, the joy of dancing under the stars, the ease of waking up in a new country without packing a bag. We've met incredible people, shared stories over dinner, and found healing in the movement and magic of ship life. Really, cruising is an adult's playground. You can be entertained all day or just chill out by the pool reading a book, whatever you like to do. Cruising isn't just a holiday, it's a way of living with joy, simplicity, and connection. Next time, I'll share how we afford to travel up to 20 weeks a year. And no, we're not rich. We just think outside the box. Thanks for joining me today. Ciao for now.